I didn't know that. Cool. Okay, so here we are. Let's go find a site. Hello, hello. Finally, almost 2 months to the day since I've been camping. Oh my gosh. Had a real hair up my ass, so to speak, about getting out here. So, it's President's Day weekend, so shout out to all you bastards ruining the country, one election at a time. So yeah, President's Day weekend. Slide out here on a Sunday. Thought I'd do a quick overnighter. I'm in a place I've never been before, Lake Icaris. I'm not really sure. Unfortunately, it's a tough one to pronounce. I guess that's on me. Obviously, as a person, I need to do better. But so far so good. Entire park all to myself. This is freaking huge. Guess if you're looking for a decent place to hang out this summer, this just might be it. So, but for tonight, it's all mine. So yeah, let's get the car situated. I'm sleeping in the car, so it's basically ready to go. Just gonna get some things out of it. Then we'll take a walk around, see what exactly we can't find. I see there's some open water. We'll see just how open it is. Might make a quick jaunt down to get some firewood, or excuse me, some worms. So do a little fishing, but we'll see. It's a little windy too, so it's beautiful. It's over 40 degrees. The wind is making it a little bit chilly, but other than that, it's just gorgeous out here. So, yeah, see what we can do. Let's get ourselves situated, and we'll take a gander around the lake, huh? Appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate you watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, all that good stuff, guys. We all do this together. Stay tuned. Okay, let's talk about what we're looking at here, huh? Now I picked this bad boy up, the Roadie, on Amazon. Kind of one of those products that just happen to show up when you talk about it, you know, just to confirm your cell phone is listening to you. And I just couldn't resist. The promo ad for it was of a 5th Gen Explorer, so it just seemed like destiny to go ahead and get it. Just barely big enough for these big ass doors. Let's get a little closer. And these are 2 layers. You can kind of see through it, so it's not entirely black out as far as the light goes, but obviously you can't see through it with your naked eye. But so you got a screen layer here, and then you have another waterproof layer, and it comes with a little awning as well, so you can keep your window down if it's raining. Now I haven't tested this out in the rain yet, but just looking at the overall build, I'm willing to bet it doesn't perform that well in the rain. So just a word to the wise if you're thinking about investing. Now, of course, here's the bed setup. Trying to do things a little differently, but I got my thermarest with a wool blanket and a sleeping bag, and then a comforter as well. And I got 2 more blankets with me just in case, but I should be plenty warm. Of course, you can see the big ass space heater that I brought. Got a little power at this site, so I should be toasty as it goes in here. I mean, that's obviously a bit overkill for this car in general. So alright, and a little bit of the basics with me as well. I was able to really, since I'm just here one night, really reduce things down to some basic cookware, fans, lights, this type of thing, extra lanterns, just the bare minimums. Of course, a little extra storage down here. So yeah, and as a reminder, I did build this. I think this actually makes it pretty obvious that I built this. But yeah, let's zoom out a little bit. Here we go, a little bit better view. There we go. So yeah, this is designed so that when I go to sleep, actually when I'm in here hanging out, I can actually put this guy up if I want to. So I have plenty of room to sit in here and chill, watch this or whatever. And if I need to, I can actually lift this side up as well. So that just gives me more leg room, more options, and of course, creating some storage. Let's see, I got my water from over there. See, I got a little junk up here in the front seat, but yeah, I can sit in here and hang out, stay nice and toasty if it happens to get too cold, and just chill, enjoy my movie and my dinner tonight. So that's what I look forward to doing there. What else we got? Oh, and yeah, there's 2. 1 for each side. Oh, this came off a little bit, didn't it? Oh, I missed the thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to put that back on properly, but you get the idea. And I don't know if I showed this before, but I cut out some tarp in lieu of something a little bit more rigid and construction or durable. But I just use a thin tarp just for some blackout, just to block out views into this at night while I'm in here. So I got one for the back window as well. And I can put a curtain up here on that bungee if I want, but I'm the only one here tonight, so I'm not really worried about it. And then go ahead and bring some of my own firewood. There's not any around that I could find. An hour and a half long trip out here, so yeah, and all the supplies in the world. I think it is time to maybe hop out of here and take a quick gander around the lake, huh? Alright, well, that's about it. But not a lot else to look at here, just more to say lots of cabins. This is a really cool campground, though. You can tell this is a rockin' ass campground in the summertime, but all the campsites that they have along the lake edge that are tent sites only, and then the cabins as well that they have. Pretty cool. Well, it's about 2 o'clock. I'm pretty dang hungry. I'm gonna get a little noodles going, and well, then we'll get a fire going. Then I get some water boiling, and then we'll get to having a little lunch, hanging out for a bit, taking it easy, huh? All right. Stay tuned. New toy alert. Baby sis got me this Yeti insulated. I think it's a liter jar. That's where I got my water in for the day here. So shout out to baby sis, huh? It's got this awesome lid for pouring. See, oh, so good. Just keeps it nice and stuck to it. See if I can pour this back on. There we go. Okay. Oh, lunchtime, huh? Let's see. Good old Snapdragon noodles. A little hot water. Oh, come on now. Come on. Hold up. Don't want to lose the thing. Let's see. That was pretty tasty, actually. Oh, forgot my flavoring oil. At least that's what they call it. Just drop a little bit. We don't need all that oil in there. Not really sure what flavor it's providing. I think it's spicy, actually, now that I think about it. So, all right, little noodles, beer, and a fire. That's lunch all day, every day. This really is a trip of thanks. Just in that I realize a lot of the stuff I have, people have gifted to me. Not only my sister, but I mention often a lot of the things my wife gives me, but this is yet another one. Lovely gift, a little home kitchen set. Well, damn, where's my seasoning at? I had a seasons I didn't put in there. I lost my seasoning, but you see the fanciness of it. Where's my seasons at? Holy smokes. Yeah, actually, let's just use the tongs. Tongs will work. Okay. Okay, found my season. Had them on the ground. Just... There we go. Okay. Okay. You know, raw meat is not very appealing. I'm not sure how we were convinced to eat it. Boy, is it delicious, huh? Lots of salt, lots of salt. And then some pepper. Come on, pepper, do your thing, do your thing. Okay, okay. Good enough. And a little bit of that that Hy-Vee's country style potato salad to go with it. So got her seasoned up. We'll let her chill for a bit, and I think we'll finish our movie first, and then back to the old fire there. We can get this grilled up. Have some dinner here in a couple hours. Holy woo! Almost lost her. Holy smokes, that was crazy. I gotta stop dealing with the camera and the food at the same time. doesn't help either. It's interesting though, is just how bright some of these stars are though that the camera is picking up. At least one of the stars of Orion. I'd have to say the one of the legs. I'm not sure if it's what side is the top side, but one of the stars for sure is visible as hell. And then over here, let's see. So see, look, that's the camp light, the street light. Then there's these really two bright stars right here. It's incredible. Normally my phone couldn't pick up anything. Let's see. Can y'all hear those? So yeah, I cook this pork chop and get back inside the car, huh? Looking, pork chop looking okay, huh? Oh, she's almost done. It's okay. Nice juicy, succulent chop here. Golly, there they go again. Holy smokes, it's just intense. Okay. Oh, tight on space, but the chop is done. Potato salad ready to be eaten. Right out the can, right out the jar. So that's great. Brew on standby. Movie queued. That's car camping, folks. That's how you do it. Oh, I don't even know. Let me show you my big ass space heater. It is working. Okay, keeping me nice and toasty. Got a little air, some space for the air vents and whatnot, but it's still nice and warm in here. So yeah, delicious. Or delicious? Great. I meant great. This is awesome. This is all working out. This pork chop will be delicious along with the potato salad. So yeah, sit back, relax, enjoy my dinner, watch a movie, drink a beer, and probably call it a night. Stay tuned. Okay. Well, that's bedtime, boys and girls. Holy smokes. Laid up in here real nice like. Figured out a new way to get in here. Crawling on the driver's side where I built the damn thing instead of trying to do the little flippity dippity move I was doing from the left side, from the passenger side. So it worked out great. So last step here before I resume watching a movie, I need to install the security alarm. So let's see here. There's my little mood lighting. And for the security alarm, we'll do something like this. Let's see. Sing-a-ding-bing. So hopefully any jokers come wrestling around in here, I'll have something immediately to let me know otherwise. So let me know what's going down. So fingers crossed, huh? Coffee's where it's at. Good morning, everybody. Got an okay night's rest in the improved setup in the car. My shoulder's bothering me, so is my knee. So I think I just need to take my little medicines to make sure my knee and shoulder ain't hurting so much. So, but other than that, decent little night. Nice and quiet out here after the coyotes stopped yelping. Peaceful, a little chilly, but I stayed nice and warm with the space heater, so that was great. I think now it's about just watching the rest of this wood burn, hanging out for a few hours while the spot is still technically mine. Then simple as just getting in and driving away. No need to pack up really. So we appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next one, huh? It's been Cheffen Outside.